What's up guys, you're watching the Sit Show, and if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and a like. Today our topic is PlayStation 5 error, and the error is WS-116520-5, and error occurred while connecting to the server. So simply it's a server error, and sometime you're having a problem with the PSN network. So here I'm just going to share my screen on my left side, and here we are at the screen. And here we go to the settings simply and go to the user and accounts, check your PSN account is logged in or not, and go to the login settings. Your console is logged in or not. Sometimes require a password, you just turn off the password. And here is the network. Then go to the network and view PlayStation network services, check it. Sometimes the server is down. If the server is down, you just wait. Sony will fix this up automatically because undergoing maintenance or working on the update Sony. So if the server is running up and good, then you have a local internet problem. You just contact with your local internet provider or fix your own internet connection, or a Wi-Fi, or a wired LAN one. Here's the settings, go to the setup, forget the old one, and that's your own internet connection also. And here is the frequency, check it, and advanced settings. Here you get the host setting, DNS settings, primary DNS, proxy servers, MTU settings also. And you just fix it, search on your internet which one is working good in your country, just put it here, all the settings, and then do it. And I'm just going to suggest you use a wired LAN one. It's you will get the better speed on it. So simply that's how you can fix this. And if you want to ask me a question, then leave a comment in the comment box. See you soon for the next one.